I'm not going to spend too much time in this module talking about the various elements in the body because that's really what the rest of the course is about. But I do want to focus on two attributes that you'll apply to many body elements in your documents. And that's the ID and the class attribute. The ID attribute allows you to identify a particular item within the page. Now you might use this for scripting or manipulating that object with JavaScript or another type of script. And you might also use it for styling. So using style sheets, you can reference a particular item by its ID. That ID needs to be unique for the page. So as you go through and create IDs for elements on the page, you want to create unique IDs for those items. The class is something that also allows you to identify items, but with the class, you could have many items on the page that share the same class. Often the class is used to apply styles, but it can also be used in script to go and find all the elements on the page with a certain class. So a couple quick examples. For the class, for example, I might indicate in the style sheet that anything with a class of message, so .message here, I want to change that to green. And with the script, rather than popping up an alert when the document loads, we could do something like this where we do document get element by ID, and we'll use that ID attribute then, and I can set the inner HTML. So instead of hello world, it would say hello JavaScript, since we're manipulating this from script. So if we save that, open it up in the browser, you'll see now that the text is hello JavaScript because it was written over by that text, and it's green. So rather than the body color of red, because that particular text is also in this class of message, its color's been changed to green. So you'll find the use of ID and class critical as you start building out more involved documents where you want to apply styles and work with those things in script. And it's a good idea to apply those things to give your documents and those elements within there some semantic meaning with the class and unique identifiers with the ID.